Hi Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 7th to August the 9th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel, catered for our international audience. And kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung hinahanap niyo po yung X-Files, if you still care about your exes, dun po sa Facebook, no? Doon ko na lang po ipinopost. Parang wala po nag-aaway dito sa YouTube, no? At least sa Facebook, lahat po nung nandoon, at least, no, kaya ka naman pumunta doon is you still care about your exes. Ayan. So, magsimula na tayo. Gemini. Parang both of you wanted to confide or confess each other's feelings. I think na alam nyo kasi sa isa't isa, alam nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman. May mga assumptions na din tayong probably, no, na sa isip natin, alam ko mahal ako nito. Alam din naman ng isa. It's probably a mirrored energy. Pero nag-aantayan lang may umamin. So parang ang kulang lang dito is the confession. This might be sabihin natin mas dominant ito yung ganitong situation kapag nasa crush, mutual understanding, no, na stage. Pero it doesn't limit to that, no, kasi meron din sa mga mag-asawa itong mga I love yous, hindi na rin nababanggit. So ang nakikita ko dito is kumbaga what we are doing are somewhat, no, what lovers do, no, whether we're doing it intimately, nagsisex tayo or not, no. There's also something in here na we're just talking about or having this intense or intimate conversations, not just landian, no. There's something in you that I didn't see from other people, and I feel like you're enhancing, no, my wisdom. There is something in here na you fill me up with knowledge. I'm becoming more and more and more and more excited every time no nagkakaroon tayo ng conversations, every time na nakikita kita. Yun nga lang, hindi ko na alam or hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng relasyon meron na tayo. It might be friends, or it might be, sa mga mag-asawa. Mag-asawa pa ba tayo? But parang feeling ko magkapatid na lang, no? Sa mga mag-asawa, it's actually the reverse of what's happening doon sa mga singles or crushes and dito sa mga in mutual relationship, kasi dito it's elevating, no, kaya sila nalilito. It's because of I don't know what we are right now, no, kasi parang we're actually doing things and it's not normal for a friends, no, na they somewhat kiss, no, na nagsusunduan. Ayan. Para dun sa mga mag-asawa naman, it's the reverse and it's decreasing, no? Kaya nandun din sa thing na mag-asawa pa ba tayo o magkapatid na lang kasi nauubos itong nawawala na yung tamis, no? So, and we're not making love anymore. So, but I know no, na nandun yung emotion. Kaso hindi na sa akin klaro, magkapatid na ba tayo? Magkaibigan, mag-best friend na ba tayo? So parang yung complacency is masyadong na-practice, no, up to a point na parang may border ako sa bahay, yung ganon. Oh. So, with the, mabuti sana kung ako sa bagay, yung iba nagbibigay, no? Pero ang masakit doon, may border ka na, ikaw pa nagpakain. Ayan na nga tayo. O the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Magician. Well, what I am seeing in here is wala talagang pag-amin. Kumbaga, ito yung sinasabing, pitpitin mo yung bayag nito, hindi to aamin, no? You can, you can actually keep a secret, no? Ayun naman ang maganda. When you said something to this person, they can keep a secret. They're gonna bring this secret of yours up to their, dying days. Um, but the thing here is, pati yung emotion nila, ayaw nila i-share. Yun lang ang masakla. Um, there are moments here, Gems, na probably your actions here is parang may pagtakot, no? Either tinatakot mo sila, aalis ako dito, hindi na kita papansinin, no? Pag hindi mo pa inamin, for a few numbers of you ginawa, walang napala. So parang babalik, no? Yung iba naman, nagpapaalam, habang nagpapaalam, nakatingin, susunod ba to sa akin, no? Parang hindi mo ma-trigger yung emotions nila. Hindi mo ma-trigger kung ang hirap basahin, ang hirap manipulahin, if I may, no? Um, ang hirap ispelengin. That's actually the word. Ang hirap ispelengin ng emotions nila. Kung ano yung tumatakbo sa isip. Alam, kumbaga sa puso alam ko na eh, no? Kaso ayoko din naman bigla ako mag-a-assume. Baka mamaya assumption lang ito, no? Buti ko doon na tayo nag-aral. Two of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Parang yun sa'yo, I'm deeply falling in love with the person and I don't want this, you know, situationship goes to waste. Dahil I'm summoning, parang may plead dito. Sige na naman, ipakita mo na yung nararamdaman mo. With the Ace of Swords and the Four of Pentacles, it just so happened na medyo private, closed off, snobbish, no? Itong si person. I think that there are times here when you're asking questions, medyo talaga nagsusungit siya, no? With the Two of Wands and the Seven of Wands, I think that the person here is very protective of what they feel for you, protective of, parang for them, it's too early, no, for them to speak. I think that your person's actually enjoying, what is happening right now. But the thing here is, baka kasi nagko-cross na tayo ng boundary nga, no? Kaya nga nandito na tayo, medyo confused na. Hindi ko na alam kung friends pa tayo, no? Or hindi ko alam kung ano ng relationship kasi we're crossing the boundary of um we're crossing the boundary of getting into something really serious, 'di ba? And I don't know how to act. I'm seeing here there are times na nag-uusap kayo gabi-gabi or hindi man gabi-gabi pero nagpupuyatan, no? To a point na probably hindi na rin chances are healthy itong pagpupuyat kasi you're being affected with your sleepless nights, with your task, no, kinabukasan, the Ten of Wands, the Fool card, and the Star. Although, masaya ka naman sa ginagawa mo, you feel like you are, I think that these person, hindi ko sinasabi pinapasakay ka kasi there are actual emotions in here, no? But the thing here is probably you just don't know how, they're not verbal with it, no? They're not probably um, too showy for a few numbers of you with the Ten of Swords and the Three of Wands. Um, you're probably waiting for this person to have the courage, no? To finally say, with the Ten of Swords, clarify with the Two of Pentacles and the Lovers. So yung last card is you, no, Gemini. What I am seeing is you're gonna wait for this person. I think that you're sticking with the person, you're sticking to the situation, even though that the situation sometimes it's hard for you to explain and hard for you to understand what kind of relationship there is. But both somewhat are enjoying, especially your person. You apparently meron tayong mga tanong na, no, sa isip natin. Meron na tayong, can we put this connection to another level of commitment? Can we do this? No? Can we do that? May karapatan na ba akong magselos? May karapatan ba akong magganito? What actions or anong iaarte ko dito sa um, situationship na ito, no? Let's see here. The emotion of your person. I've been fighting a battle I can't win, and you light up my world. So I feel like this is you, no? I'm trying to pull you in. I'm trying for you to confide, tell me what's really inside your heart, but it felt like I am on this loop of waiting, no? Pero kasi yung si person, parang talagang meron siyang sinasabi na, can we, the one thing's for sure, you are my inspiration, and I don't want you to be apart from me, no? I don't want you to leave me, I don't want you to go somewhere else. So I hope that you can be there, no? And just enjoy the moment. Mm. So let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So baka kapwa Gemini ito. Um, it could be Taurus, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Libra. Um, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Virgo. Right. Yeah, so this is your reading. Gemini, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto nyo pong magtanong at hindi nyo naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kilala nyo yung sarili nyo. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Sa description box po, there is a link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. No? Nandun po yung ating question form sa pinakababa. Sa pinakababa pa, after nyo makita itong question form, nandun po yung mode of payment, how much per questions, no? Nandun po yung QR codes, the name, no? So you might wanna also take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. And if you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? Sa Gemini, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Nasa description box din po itong mga fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report, screenshot, and then send it to the designated email so that I can pick up a winner for a private reading. And when I said it's free, it's actually free of charge, no? So, Gems, if you still care about your access, doon po siya sa ating Facebook account, no? Para hindi po kayo nag-aaway-away dito. At least, yung mga pumunta doon sa Facebook account is for those people who still cares about their access. So, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.